Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup empties video. Over the course of these 6 months I haven't been filming, there has been a lot of products that have been accumulating which I want to talk about and spend some time to talk about some of these products that I have never spoken about. And also, do we see the blonde in my hair? Way lighter than previous. So, let's get started. Okay, so the first product I really want to talk about is Nivea deodorant. I finished these once in like 3 months and it is the best deodorant ever. It smells amazing, and for those people who are allergic to strongly scented things like I am, I'm really allergic to things that have a strong scent. It gives me headaches, sometimes I sneeze. The Nivea deodorants are one of the best, and you have to get the one that is in the blue cap. That one is the best, and it lasts you for 48 hours, which I think is amazing. Then the next thing I want to talk about is the Laneige Balancing Elmusion Purifying and Hydro Balancing Lotion infused with skin perfecting optimal mineral water, and this is for normal to dry skin. I really like this item because I've been using it over the course of winter time and my skin has been dry, and I also brought it to my trip this summer, and it's a lightweight moisturizer for your face, and it really moisturizes, adds in those hydration that you need to your face. So I really enjoyed this one. This moisturizer I believe was in a trial size package, which I think you can still get at Sephora, approximately like $36, $39. Next one, of course, is the Beauty Blender Solids. These are my favorite cleansing soap bars for my brushes, and it comes with a little brush cleaner mat for your brushes. If you don't want to pay $22 for this one, I would definitely recommend the Sephora brand one. The Sephora brand just works just as well. It smells like almond, but I find this scent, I like this scent better, so I keep going back to the Beauty Blender Solids as opposed to the Sephora brand one. Okay, the next one is my favorite mascara. This is the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. I find this is one of those mascaras that will last me all day, that is not smudging. It's got that little small curl on the side that really lifts my lashes for me, because I've got Asian lashes. It's really hard to keep the curl. So once I curl up my lashes with my lash curler and I apply the mascara, most mascaras will just make my lashes go down, but I feel like Benefit mascara, like this Roller Lash Mascara, definitely holds my curl for the whole day, which I really love. So I would definitely be repurchasing it. Next item, this is the Marc Jacobs Fineliner Ultra Skinny Gel Eye Crayon in Blacquer. And I love this eyeliner. If you've been watching me for a while now, you would know that this is one of my biggest obsessions. It's thin, it works amazing, it's dark, and I remember I did it in one of the first impressions video, and it really definitely wowed me when I used it because I was like, whoa, it's such an intense color. I got it as a trial size in Sephora, so I definitely would recommend, if you are shopping online, definitely try out those trial sizes that Sephora gives you. That's the only way you can try out new things and be like, whoa, I don't have to get it, but I can try new things and see which one you like. And then the next one is the Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel in 3. One of my favorite. So I believe I filmed a brow tutorial, and in that tutorial I used the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil, and then I used the Gimme Brow to just apply everything, set everything. This one gives a little bit of tint, which I really like, because if I don't fill it in properly, fill my brows in properly, I can always go back with the Gimme Brow and it will give my brow that definition that I need. So I really like this product, and I already have a backup. Okay, so the last two makeup empties, they're both facial misks. So this one is the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray, and then this one is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Marine Boosting Mist. The Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray, it's long lasting, does what it says, and I find like a lot of beauty gurus, they definitely talk about this product, and I'm not a big fan of the smell, honestly, but this one, I definitely feel like Urban Decay, like this product is amazing. It'll hold your makeup the whole time. However, the Tarte Rainforest of Sea Marine Boosting Mist, I wouldn't consider it as a finishing spray or anything like that. I feel like whenever your face needs a little bit more moisture, I would opt for this one. It's got that really oceany smell to it, which I really like, and it smells exactly like the H2O moisturizing cream. I think that's what it's called. Forgot what that moisturizer is called, but it smells like those. If I had to choose between the Urban Decay and the Tarte, I would choose the Urban Decay, even though the scent isn't really good, but it really helps my makeup last the whole day, which I've put to the test, especially when sometimes my makeup is too matte in the wintertime, because I like mattify my T-zone area. Definitely give this a spray. It will give your makeup that wake up. Thank you guys so much for watching. That is all to my makeup empties for these past 6 months. There has been a lot of makeup that I'm just like, I finished and I threw it out in the garbage, and I totally forgot that I was gonna film a makeup empties video with it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.